Today we are going to be hopefully sorting out the Wave stiff plier head. This is my very messy workshop, so I do apologise. But as I showed you before, the plier heads just stay up like this. They're quite stiff. They're not that as stiff as some Leathermans I've had, but they need sorting out. So you will need a vise and a cloth, and let me show you what I do. So we need to protect the pliers, and we put them just one handle in, not too tight, don't want to damage it, and then we a bit tighter than that, and then we pull, put some tension, don't be afraid, you can see the flex there, pull it and really work it, and then push like again, nice and firm, and just keep doing that. Pull it again. Look, oh yep, I think we've fixed it. I think you could do with a little bit more work, but you get the idea. It's a lot better now. So I'll just keep plugging on, but that's basically what you do. Don't squeeze it too tight because you'll end up trapping the handles and you won't be able to get the tools out. But that's how I do it. Yeah, I'll do a little bit more work, but that's it.